The Language of the Birds and Other Poems by Amy Nemecek. Read by the author. Dedication. In loving memory of my parents, Richard and Julia Housecamp. The lines have fallen to me in pleasant places. Indeed, my heritage is beautiful to me. Psalm 16, verse 6. Part 1. The Language of the Birds. On the 5th day, your calloused fingers stretched out and plucked a single reed from the river that flowed out of Eden, trimmed its hollow shaft to length, and whittled one end to a precise V that you dipped in the inkwell of ocean. Touching pulpy nib to papyrus sky, you brushed a single hieroglyph, feathered the vertical downstroke, flourished with serif of pinions, a perpendicular crossbar lifting weightless bones from left to right. Tucking the stylus behind your ear, you blew across the wet silhouette, dried a raven's wings against the static, and spoke aloud the symbol's sounds. Fly. Beloved. You have carved, chiseled, tattooed me on the palms of your hands. Yud, Dalet. 2 Hebrew runes christen me cherished, adored, favored, precious. Beloved, let us love one another. Dearly beloved, we are gathered here together. In the high and far-off times, O best beloved, my beloved is mine, and I am his. Indelible, undeniable identity. I put mirrored palms together, raise them out and up in praise, reminding you, reminding myself, that I am a marked woman, forever branded by the etchings of your grace. Hidden Manna. Your manifesto is everywhere manifest. A samizdat song the spirit gives ears to hear in nebulae pillars we view via Hubble, newborn stars clutched by hydrogen talons. In electron
Sample complete. Ready to continue?